Hey, finally, you're here. I was starting to think you got lost. Almost. Your street names are confusing, but I made it. Come in, come in. How was the journey? Long, honestly. The traffic was terrible today, but it feels good to be here. Sit down. You must be tired. Do you want some water or tea? Water first, please. I'm really thirsty. Here you go. So, how does it feel visiting my place for the first time? It's nice. Very peaceful. Much quieter than my area. That's why I like it here. Less noise, fewer people. I can see that. Your house has a very calm vibe. Thanks. My mom keeps it simple but clean. It shows. I love the plants near the window. Yeah, she's very fond of gardening. She spends hours with those plants. I wish I had that kind of patience. By the way, did you have lunch? Not properly. I grabbed a snack on the way. Then you're eating here. No excuses. I was hoping you'd say that. Mom made special food today anyway. Now I'm even more glad I came. So, what's new with you? It's been ages since we last met. A lot, actually. Work has been stressful lately. Same here. Office life really drains energy. True. Some days I just want to quit and disappear for a week. I get that feeling, but then responsibilities pull us back. Exactly. Adult life isn't as exciting as we imagined. Remember college days? We worried about exams only. And even those worries felt lighter. So true. Want to see my room? Of course. Lead the way. This is it. Nothing fancy. Simple, but very, you. I like it. That's a compliment, right? Definitely. You know, it feels good talking like this after so long. Same here. We should do this more often. Agreed. Distance shouldn't end friendships. Exactly. We just need to make time. Stay for dinner today. I was actually hoping you'd invite me. Then it's decided. You're not leaving early. Perfect. Today feels relaxing already. Good food, good company. That's all we need sometimes. Couldn't agree more.